Hello everybody, hi to all. First, what I want to say, I want to wish happy new 2025, and I believe maybe 25 will more good from 24, and I wish to everyone Happy New Year. I wish to all lockpickers Happy New Year, to lockpickers from community, to lockpickers from locksmith services, of my friends, of not my friends, of peoples whose I not meet never. And now I don't want to cry here, but 24 for me was maybe hardest. I don't remember year like 24. Don't remember. And this is not so happy. I'm not so happy from this year. I can't to be happy from this year. So I believe everything will good in 25. But I don't believe. If to say true, I not believe. But I wish to everyone about whose I say Happy New Year. Okay, I believe my English maybe not correct, but I believe can to understand what I say. Okay, and not was in my plan to make a video with opening something, but before some days, this was in Friday, I meet my friend from locksmith service, and we drink cafe and talk, and I like to test his car, work car, no, with all tools, locks, and always I try to find something for to pick here, and I meet this lock. This is very bad lock. No, very bad completion, very bad everything. This is China lock. But when I look on the K, this is do cross 5 do diametral pins, standard driver pins, not mushrooms, nothing. This make this lock more difficult. If was mushrooms or special pins, drivers was more easy. Okay, but do diametral 70%. This is standard driver pins. MT5. This is do diametral K pins and standard driver, standard, not special. Okay, but this lock not was take never. But when I look here, this moment, so I see two ways, two cutting lines of sliders. And this point what give me to take this lock for test. After this, I call to another locksmith services friends, and I talk with people about this lock. And for me, this is surprise, but this is real in our country. We have, and I never not see this, not pick, not see. And now we try to open him, and maybe I can to show what interesting in this lock. Maybe because number of things, maybe I can, maybe not. I don't know. We understand. Very soft spring, something not normal. Four. First. This is maybe mistake I make now. This was number 3. First little out, and 4 little out. Second not ask. I think I make mistake with number 3. Yes. This enter and plus. My mistake. 4. First. 4. We finish, and now ask second. This is difficult to make. Just a moment. Nice. 4 on the place and 5 not ask. Okay. Now this row, but I not have place here good. I believe. Just a moment, I need to test this row. First, second, third, 4, 5, everything good. Second, third ask, nice. 4 ask, but nice. And okay. First, second, third, 4, nice. 4 finished, and 5 now. Okay, once again this row for to be sure. Okay, I believe we finished to make this, but I make mistake, and now nice. This is This is my my magic moment. Okay, now sliders. Sliders here. This slider, what was interesting for me, number 3. Before, what was? If I just touch him, so this make click, and that's all. And that's all. You can't to use. That's all. Finish of opening. And this was for me something new. And you think everything good. You think you put and third ask. And if this slider not ask, so this enter in this position if not ask too. But if ask, if you pick all pins, so when you touch third, just third ask, this is move quickly, and you listen good click, and this is game over. Now I want to understand. Pins were open, I think. What I feel now with sliders, I think so. A little tension. Third, I want to show this moment. Nice. You listen, click. Okay. Now I can to make what I want. I not open this lock. First, second, third now, sorry, this third, and 4. I try to open, maybe I open, I don't know, but before, how I try to make this, not give result. I try to move all together. 1-1. Not move. Not move. Now was something, I don't know what is this. I want to get this lock very, very, very much. And what what here very interesting pins, no, I can't show. First, second on the place, third, 4 on the place, 5 on the place, first, second, third, nothing. Okay. Maybe this looking, I don't know, like some game, but once again, now we try to open him without to enter in this position. What is this number 3? I need to get him, and I got him. Not now, but I got him. Okay. Once again, 4. Nice, 4 on the place. First, second, but this is very not good. I put him full. Okay, now I understand more. Okay, good. Third, 4, 5, okay. Second, third, 4, and 5. And now we try to open him, but now we make something another. If 4, once again I enter in this position. No. Now we open him. Now click was what I need. But I need to touch 4 first, second, and third. Maybe this is true gate. I really don't understand. But if I touch third, game over. Why? I don't know. This is story with this lock. This lock I call to locksmith service of my friend, and I talk about this lock. And this lock come in completion with door, China lock, and this lock have 8 keys. 1 for change code, and 3 for use after change code. This is what I understand from my friend. I have just 1 key, so this is all story. So this is story with this China lock, and thank you for watching. And I want to say, if I am make to somebody something bad in this year, I'm so sorry. I don't know about this, but everything can to be. So I want to out from this year with clean hand. Yes, and clean heart. Okay, and with normal mind. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.